Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you the finishing touches as we're putting them on Bill Speed's '67 Camaro. So we've done a lot of work on the car. We've done the Performance Online upper and lower control arms. We've done the larger front sway bar. We've done the Aldan American double adjustable shock. So this is the rebound adjustment knob. On the bottom of the shock is the compression adjustment knob. And we also have done all of the steering linkage. So when we're doing changes like the control arms and coilover kits and sway bars, we also need to look at things like the tie rod ends, the idler arm, the pitman arm. This particular Camaro, even though it felt good driving the car, when we got underneath the car, they needed to be replaced. So by replacing them, you're going to upgrade at the same time making it better. But also with worn out steering components, it is not going to do justice to all the improvements we've done with the control arms and the coilover kits. So we're now looking at the rear of the car. We've made some major changes back here. Gone are the leaf springs. We've installed a coilover kit, a 4-link rear suspension, subframe connectors, huge improvement, major changes, a lot of work. Check it out and we'll show you how we did it. So we've installed the Striker double adjustable shocks, a panhard rod, the 4-link suspension, all the brackets. There's a cradle on the top side for the shock mounts. It's a pretty awesome kit. It's not that difficult to install, but it is time consuming. Unfortunately, I did not do a step-by-step installation video, but I want to show you the end result of how it's all installed. So when we did this installation, there's the lower link, the upper bracket, the lower bracket. So your lower bracket is a bolt-on with no modifications. The upper bracket requires a little bit of drilling and mounting of the bracket. There's also an upper cradle here. So this huge cradle becomes your upper shock mount, your panhard rod mount, and also reinforces the frame to support the 4-link suspension. So when we did the installation, we also installed the subframe connectors. So the subframe connectors bolt to the rear subframe mount and to the lower trailing arm mount, which formerly was the leaf spring mount. On the subframe, we actually replaced all of the subframe bushings because the original bushings were all cracked and worn out and it was time to replace them. We also removed the original spring perches off the axle housing. We welded on our lower trailing arm mount. On that side also is a panhard rod mount, so there is welding and measuring that is involved to get this correct. Performance Online also has a Ford 9-inch axle housing that already has the brackets welded in place. So now that everything is installed and ready to drive, I can't wait to get the car out, do a little bit of testing with the car, give it back to Bill at Black Widow because it is his car. Unfortunately, it's not mine. And then he can go out and play with it and experience the full benefit of the 4-link rear suspension, all of the upgrades we did in the front, and more information on anything Aldan American, you can look us up at aldanamerican.com.